a follow-up video to see if we can put jam inside a pancake that we're going to cook in the sandwich toaster. So I didn't have enough left of the savoury filling. I only had enough for one, and I had a spare pancake left over. So I thought to myself, because we used to put jam sandwiches in the sandwich toaster when I was young, can we put jam in a pancake and cook it in the sandwich toaster without it causing too much of a mess? We shall see. So this is cherry jam. Any jam you fancy though. Not too much, I don't think. And then that over there. Fold that over. Fold that over. I'm going to cook it alongside the savoury one, and then we'll kind of see how it turns out. So that there, that there. That just wants to be properly filled. Clamp it closed, turn it on, and away we go, and we'll see how it turns out. I think we'll be done. I don't want to cook them anymore because I think turn that off. I think the jam will turn into like molten lava. So crispy, crispy. That one's really crispy. Is that one? I think. Yes. Oh, we've leaked a little bit. We haven't sealed that well. We'll see how we go. I'll make a mess. We'll clear that bit of jam up first. Get rid of that. Try not to burn myself on really hot sugar. Yeah, I think, does that work? I think, yeah, actually I think it does. Think about it, do you know, with a blob of ice cream on top of that, I think that would be lovely. And kind of like you could just do it in a frying pan. Kind of make your pancakes, put a thin layer of jam on your pancake, put another pancake on top. Don't put the jam too close to the edges of the pancake because it's obviously going to melt. And then you could fry it in a frying pan, and I think that would really work. But it kind of works in the sandwich toaster. It kind of works. Kind of works. I think, yeah, I think a blob of ice cream on top of that, I think that'd be lovely. I'm not going to eat it just yet because it'll burn the roof of my mouth off. But yeah, kind of a success. Kind of ish. Yeah, I think I think that's a success. And certainly it's got me thinking about things. So we'll see what else we can do at some point. Right, so I've got yogurt in the house. So I've had it with a bit of yogurt, and that is delicious. I particularly think I really like cherry jam. Anyway, and I think it works particularly well with yogurt. But yeah, that is really nice, is that? It's quite decadent and indulgent. And I think, I'm not sure. It seems like a bit of a faff, but it's something different, and it works, and it's delicious. So I don't know. It's just something different, isn't it? As always. And most things are a different way of doing the same thing, but that's really nice, is that? Yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. I think I'll be able to do you could do them in a frying pan as well. Like bulk pancakes would be fine, but that's really nice, is that? I'm going to enjoy eating the rest of that. But there we go. A success.